Welcome back to Shamnath Overflow, my channel. Today we are going to discuss about a very important subject, that is vacuum circuit breaker. We know that the vacuum circuit breaker plays very importance. Not only the vacuum circuit breaker, every circuit breaker plays very important role in electrical circuit. What is the role of a circuit breaker in an electrical circuit? Whenever any abnormal conditions like overcurrent, over voltage, or any interruption in terms of any of the interruption in an electrical circuit, the circuit breaker will trip and it safeguard the entire circuit, the equipments, electrical equipments and all. So it is very important in the electrical circuit. So we are going to discuss about the vacuum circuit breaker. So vacuum circuit breaker is the circuit breaker in which vacuum is the medium. The medium of the circuit breaker is very important. It plays an important role in the circuit breakers. The function of the medium of the circuit breaker is to quench the arc. Whenever make and break of the contact of a circuit breaker happen, there may be a chances of getting arc. The arc will be produced inside the chamber of the circuit breaker and in between the contacts. Means one fixed contact is there and a moving contact is there. In between the contact, there may be a huge arc may happen because of this making and breaking. So the current interruption happen in between the contact, then the arcing may happen. There may be a medium through which the arc quenching happened. So in a vacuum circuit breaker, the arc quenching medium is vacuum. In some other circuit breaker like SF6 circuit breaker, the arc quenching medium is SF6 gases. In oil circuit breaker, the arc quenching medium is oil and so on. So the type of the circuit breaker depends on the medium which is used in a circuit breaker. So today we are going to discuss about the vacuum circuit breaker. Let us focus on this board. Here I am going to make some of the drawing for making you understand. Let's focus on this board. It is a representation of a circuit breaker, vacuum circuit breaker chamber in which vacuum is available. Vacuum is about 10.-6 ton. 10.-6 ton. That is, so it is very high pressure. Very high pressure in the sense there is no air in this chamber. So the pressure created inside the chamber is very high. That is 10.-6 ton. Okay. So the contacts. These are the contacts. This is fixed contacts. Fixed contacts means it is fixed. This contact will not move. This is moving contact. This is moving contact. Means this contact is movable. This contact is fixed. So if you want to make the contacts together, this contact will move and it will come to here. Come to here and it will make the contacts. The electricity will pass through this contact. Okay. So what will happen if we are breaking these contacts? This contacts is breaking. That time there is an interruption happen on the current. High current is going through this. High current is going through this. Then there is an interruption in the current will happen. It will cause an arc here. There is no air inside this chamber. Still there is an arc. How it is happened? The arc happened due to the ionization of the atom, the metal atom here at the edge of this contact. The metal atoms will get evaporated and ionized, and through which we may get one arc over here, arc here. So this arc has to be quenched. For arc quenching, this vacuum is used. This vacuum is used. How this vacuum, due to vacuum, how this arc is getting quenched, that we are going to discuss right now. So for that, I am just drawing one sine wave here. The current through this contact is in a sine wave form. So what is happening here? The first cycle is from 0 it is starting, then it is going to be maximum, then after 0 is coming. So when this current is maximum, the evaporation of this due to high temperature and pressure, the evaporation of this metal happen and it will come to this in between this contact, and it is ionizing. Due to the ionized particle, the current will flow through here, current will pass through here. This we can see as a arc. So at the first cycle, the arc will be here. The next cycle, when the current comes to 0, due to the vacuum here, this arc will be getting quenched. That is the principle of a vacuum circuit breaker. Hope you understand. Let us discuss about its applications. The applications are like medium voltage level. Whenever the medium voltage level like 11 kV, second 33 kV are there, means for the 11 kV side level or 33 kV level, we can use this vacuum circuit breaker. When 220 kV side, you may observe that always we are using SF6 circuit breaker. So the advantage, we are going to discuss about the advantage. What are the advantages of a vacuum circuit breaker? The first advantage, the important advantage of a vacuum circuit breaker is this is a closed chamber. It is in a closed chamber. So the arc, there is no chances of arcing or fire outside this chamber, and the other component will not get fire because of this. That is first very important. There is no fire. And it is the arc quenching. The next is arc quenching speed is quick arc quenching speed we get. Quick arc quenching speed. Arc quenching happen very quickly. So that these two are very important advantages of this vacuum circuit breaker. So the disadvantages are this is in a closed chamber. So making pressure inside this chamber is too difficult. For making the pressure inside a chamber, we have to use more advanced devices. Difficult for design and manufacturing and design are too difficult. The first, and maintenance and repair are too difficult. Why maintenance and repair are too difficult? This chamber we cannot open. If anything happened inside this chamber, we cannot repair this chamber, because once it is open, the air will enter to the chamber, and its maintenance and repair is not at all possible. Hope you understand. Hope all of these things are be covered Mostly an overview you have discussed about the vacuum circuit breaker. So hope you understand. Thank you for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye. Please subscribe, comment and like.